friends, got you here in my backyard. I'm taking you back here to my crepe myrtle bush. And I was on Kirkland website the other day and I saw some fall decor that I would love to try to recreate. If you don't know what Kirkland's is, it's just a home decor store. Beautiful stuff. Wish I had one of everything in there. And they may be nationwide, so a lot of you may be familiar with what Kirkland's home is. It was a beautiful pumpkin, kind of made out of wrought iron, embellished. And I needed something that could make a curve shape. And the only thing I could think of was some stems of my crepe myrtle. So I'm going to cut off about 5 of these stems, take the leaves off, and I'm hoping this will work. Okay, I'm inside now, and I ended up picking up about 10 stems, and I just ran my hand up it, and the leaves just fell off. What I did is I picked one kind of thicker stem. That's going to be the center base of the pumpkin I'm creating, and I noticed that the skinnier little stems will bend a little better. So my thicker one I made about 15 inches long. Got my stems laid out here just to give you a little bit better visual about how I'm going to construct it. Like I said, this is my centerpiece and it's 15 inches long, and this is going to determine how big your pumpkin is. The ribs that I'm creating get a little bigger as you go out. This first one is 18 inches long, this one is about 21 inches, and this one's about 25 inches long. I'm going to just do the 2 center ones first. I'm going to try to attach it there and then attach them here. I'm kind of forcing these limbs to go in a direction they don't want to go, so that's why I said you may have to use hot glue and some twine to get them to stay, because you know, limbs sometimes don't want to curve, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, just want to give you a little progress report after attaching the first set. So far so good. Definitely recommend hot glue and your twine. The twine just gives it a little more security so that the limbs don't come apart. So now I'm going to attach the other 2 on each side, and I should have something that resembles a pumpkin. Another little update. Just wanted to show you that I am having to make adjustments as I go. Once I get my stem attached, I'm realizing it needs to be shorter. So you just make adjustments as you go. As long as you can get both ends attached, it's really taking the pumpkin shape. Okay, y'all, what do you think? Onion or pumpkin? I think it's definitely an onion as is, but when I get done with it, I think you'll definitely think pumpkin. Now, as far as the stem is concerned, I could go outside and get a little thicker stem of some sort. I'm going to just take a cardboard, wrap it in twine, and that's going to be my pumpkin stem. I think it'll coordinate fine. Now, my inspiration piece is black wrought iron, so I'm going to go ahead and spray paint this black just so that it will go along with the recreation I'm trying to make. I'll get back with you with my ribbons and embellishments. My pumpkin. Here is my cardboard stem. I told you that I'm just going to wrap. I just wrapped it with twine. I'm going to hot glue it on the top here, and it will make the perfect stem. Now, my inspiration piece uses the black and white buffalo plaid ribbon. Well, that stuff's pretty popular nowadays, and it's very hard to find. So I just happen to have this black and white houndstooth in my stash, and I think that is second best. It'll give the same pretty close effect as the buffalo plaid. And as far as my florals, these are 2 picks I picked up from Walmart. Now, my color scheme is more of black and white and creamish. These are just all the wrong colors, so I'm going to paint those orange pumpkins cream, and then I might give those little fall little balls and wheat stuff a little spray of spray paint just to knock some of the brightness off. When I get back with you, I'll have it all hot glued on there with a bow and show you my finished project. Friends, we are here at my back door so you get some good natural lighting. But first I need to show you the real deal on the Kirkland Home website. As you can see, I think I came pretty darn close to recreating their metal pumpkin wall decor. Don't get me wrong, I love Kirkland's, have bought many things there in the past, but it's just fun when I see something like this and try to recreate it myself for a lot cheaper. I think you could make this for $10 or less versus $30. So I hope you enjoyed this little Kirkland dupe, and I appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.